Hi guys, what's happening? Well, we've ordered windows for the van. We're putting in the door window and two little awning windows in the back. They were supposed to be in on the 12th. The door window came in, but the awning windows did not. That was our project for this weekend. Obviously we want to get those cut in before we start doing our framing and insulation and everything else. We also ordered the speakers for the door so we could take the door panels off once, sound deaden, insulation, change the speakers. But when they sent the speakers, they sent the wrong ones. We had to send those back. They won't be in until next week. So that's another project. But we're going to take the floor up, see what's under the floor. This used to be a catering van before we bought it. So who knows what's under this floor, what goodies we're going to find. So we'll take this existing floor up, clean up the floor, see what we've got going on, and get it ready for insulation and framing and try to get something accomplished even though we've been delayed. So that's today's project. Got the last bolts out. Let's lift it up and see what surprises we have hiding in there. Oh, it looks like they got Velcro holding the panels in place. This ought to be interesting.
I thought it was two different panels.
It is, but they're joined together. Alright, interesting.
We can't see anything yet.
Well, I can see.
I know.
Cut it off.
I'm curious.
Move the seat. Slide the seat forward. Not too bad. Leftover stuff from the catering company, I'm assuming. A little bit of Velcro, which we can take right up. I don't see any rust. Well, I don't think that's rust. Nice. Now we just get this out of here, clean this up.
And this is our cute neighbor, Ed,
You grab a screwdriver. If it starts to fall, just let it fall.
who came to help. Say hi to the camera, Ed.
Here we go.
Hey, it's good to see you, bub.
Oh, so the other one went in here.
Yeah, it did not want to slide apart. I don't know if it was just due to age or, yeah. Okay, we've got the boards out. We got it cleaned. This was a catering van, so there was a lot of, I guess, spillage from the catering company all over the floor. We got most of that up. Took a while. Used a scrub brush, pine saw, 409, everything else. It's not in bad shape. There's a few spots where the paint's gone. Tiny little bit of surface rust where the paint's gone. So we'll have to sand that, prime it. Here's the worst area down here. Here, over here, and over here. But it's not bad. We can sand it, prime it, spray some paint on it to protect it, and then we're ready for our subfloor. I already sanded and primed
You
under
did?
here and here. Yeah. I got to do a little bit more, but I just got to get this back in place.